I'm Cary Frye, Vice President at International Dairy Foods Association, organizer of the annual Ice Cream Technology Conference.
And can you tell us how many people show up to the event?
This year we have 130 people, ice cream processors and suppliers of ingredients and ice cream equipment.
And what percentage of them roughly are actual ice cream makers?
Oh, I'd say of the attendees, about 40% are actual ice cream processors. There's small companies that make ice cream, family-owned companies, and very large multinational companies too.
And what percentage of the ice cream production market is represented at this event?
It's hard to know exactly, but I'd say about 70%.
Okay, and can you tell us what are the main trends in the industry, both from a regulatory perspective and a consumption perspective?
Sure. Well, at the conference, we're trying to look at what the trends are. And we're talking about food safety, how to test and ensure that your products are safe in all aspects. And we had speakers that formerly with the Food and Drug Administration and professor at Cornell University talk about excellent programs for being sure your product is safe.
And in terms of consumption, what are consumers demanding these days?
So consumers with ice cream, it's such a fun product. They want flavors that are delicious and rich. We're always seeing new combinations of like cherry cordial cheesecake or mousse tracks with peanut butter and smoky flavors. There's new trends that we're seeing this year in ice cream flavors, and that's why product developers come to this conference.
And how does it differ from last year? What were the main flavors last year at the competition?
Sure, every year we have this fun competition to look at the most innovative flavor, both ice cream companies and flavor manufacturers. And last year we were seeing quite a variety of flavors. There were some we call them alcoholic flavors, whether it was made with bourbon or smoky bourbon and almonds, or even some beer like stout and brownies. This year we're seeing still some of the smoky flavors, but some honey is mixed in with them, really subtle flavors of honey and different cakes and cookies as well.
And in terms of consumption, we've seen that it has been stagnant over the last 20 years. And can you just give some perspective on that?
Well, ice cream is changing a little bit in many different ways. People want an indulgent treat, but they want a very specialized treat. They want to be able to pick. They want dark chocolate coated bar with a mini bar possibly as a nice treat, or possibly a small little cup or a bar of ice cream. So those treats are called ice cream novelties in the industry, and that market continues to grow and do really well. Overall, consumption is somewhat flat, but we're seeing high-end, richer, indulgent products that are value-added selling well. So dollar sales are increasingly doing well.